Today, let us introduce you to India's tallest plunge waterfall, the Nohkalikai. The majestic waterfall is located in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya near Cherrapunji. Even though it is the world's fourth highest waterfall at 1,114 feet, it has a tragic legend behind its name. Being a major tourist attraction, the waterfall is famous for its deep plunge, breathtaking views, and the deep plunge pool, which changes color seasonally. For more such amazing videos, do like, share, and subscribe the channel.